Some things are really worth keeping and restoring. I noticed back in 2019, during an interview we did with Dick Stevens, that there was a traditional marine railway still left at the old Stevens Brothers boat building plant. This railway was built in 1944 during the war effort. Upon inspection several years later, I was pleasantly surprised to find out that the ways were in amazingly good shape. Located on the San Joaquin River, the water here is fresh, and the ways hadn't been subjected to the salt water. However, they hadn't received some care and maintenance in several decades. We had our work cut out for us. The cradle blocks needed to be replaced. Everything needed to be painted, and the winch motor had to be overhauled. There were piles of old hardened grease, some of them 5 and 6 inches thick, under and around the winch. This was a black gooey mess that took us days to clean up. Once it was cleaned up, we could get around to the various nuts and bolts and adjusting screws so that we could realign things and get everything running smoothly. We were also able to find the hidden grease fittings so that we could properly lube everything.
It's actually taking them.
I'm sliding pretty easy, Joe.
We went through about a half a gallon of WD-40, freeing up nuts and bolts and getting all the mechanisms working. This marine railway was one of the deciding factors in moving the Maritime Preservation Trust to this location. These ways are very easy on the boats. With proper blocking, the older wood boats can be safely hauled and then repaired. With 4 rail tracks and 3 cradles that can be lengthened or shortened according to the length of the boat, these ways can haul boats 22 feet wide and up to 100 feet long. The ways were rated at 150 ton, and with some more maintenance and improvements, they could do that again. Proper care and maintenance are at the heart of sustainability. This marine railway was built to be strong, functional, and reliable. And with proper care and maintenance, it will service the maritime community for decades to come.